Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bloom Gel. Bloom Gel is a fantastic product for creating stunning, organic nail art designs. It allows colors to spread and blend beautifully on the nail surface. Before you begin, ensure your nails are prepped by applying a base coat and curing it for 60 seconds under an LED lamp or 2 minutes under a UV lamp. This foundational step is key for a long-lasting manicure. Now, apply a very thin, even layer of the clear Bloom Gel over your cured base coat. It is crucial that you do not cure this layer. It needs to remain wet for the magic to happen. Next, using a dotting tool or a fine nail art brush, carefully place small drops or lines of your chosen color gel onto the wet Bloom Gel layer. As soon as the color gel touches the wet Bloom Gel, you will notice it begin to spread and create beautiful, organic patterns. This is the bloom effect in action. Give it a few seconds, perhaps 5 to 10 seconds, to develop the design you desire. Once you are happy with the intricate pattern, cure the nail under your LED lamp for 60 seconds or UV lamp for 2 minutes to set the design. To complete your stunning Bloom Gel manicure, apply a high-quality top coat over the entire design. This will seal and protect your artwork, giving it a beautiful, glossy finish. Cure the top coat for 60 seconds under an LED lamp or 2 minutes under a UV lamp. Remember, practice makes perfect, so have fun experimenting with various colors and patterns to create truly unique nail art.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.